At the just concluded China Development Forum 2025 in Beijing, global business leaders highlighted China's commitment to high-quality growth and its increasingly open economy. The event attracted CEOs from over 80 multinational corporations, including major global players such as Apple, BMW, and AstraZeneca, emphasizing China's role as a pivotal hub for international business and technological collaboration. Joanne Krivwazara, CEO of Tapestry Inc., underscored China's market potential, noting that the company operates nearly 400 stores across more than 90 Chinese cities and anticipates significant growth opportunities in the years ahead. China's robust digital infrastructure and skilled workforce have attracted numerous multinational firms to expand their research, development, and manufacturing bases in the country. Oliver Zipse, chairman of BMW AG, highlighted China's leadership in integrating artificial intelligence in manufacturing. BMW's Shenyang plant alone deploys over 200 distinct AI applications, making it one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities globally. While international companies continue to deepen their presence in China, Chinese enterprises are also expanding globally, exporting cutting-edge technologies and solutions, particularly in green energy. Zhang Chuanwei, president of Mingyang Smart Energy Group, explained that innovation has led to a surge in global demand for their wind power products. Mingyang is actively collaborating with global firms in electronics and artificial intelligence to establish integrated systems supporting green electricity and zero-carbon solutions worldwide. Since the beginning of 2025, China has implemented comprehensive measures aimed at stabilizing foreign investment. This includes an action plan launched in January to further open the economy, addressing challenges faced by foreign enterprises through direct engagement and roundtable meetings. With ongoing strategic initiatives, China continues to position itself as an attractive investment destination, fostering a business environment conducive to innovation, technological advancement, and international cooperation. The China Development Forum 2025 not only highlighted China's economic ambitions, but also affirmed its pivotal role in shaping future global economic growth through sustained innovation and openness.